Diabetes. It affects over 500 million people worldwide. Yet most people don't understand what it really is. Did you know that diabetes was first described over 3,500 years ago? Ancient Egyptian physicians wrote about a disease that caused too much urine. They didn't know why. Today, we understand it completely. But here's the problem: 1 in 3 adults has prediabetes. And 80% of them don't know it. In this video, you'll learn what diabetes actually does to your body, the 5 warning signs you can't ignore, how to prevent and manage diabetes naturally, real stories from people living with diabetes. Let's start with the basics. What is diabetes, really? Think of your body as a car. Glucose is the fuel. Insulin is the key that unlocks the fuel tank so the fuel can get into the engine. In diabetes, your body either doesn't make enough insulin or can't use it properly. The fuel stays in your bloodstream. Your cells are starving, but the fuel can't get in. This is why people with diabetes are always tired and hungry. Their bodies are starving despite having high blood sugar. There are 3 main types of diabetes. Type 1, the body attacks its own insulin-producing cells. It's an autoimmune disease, usually diagnosed in children and young adults. Requires insulin injections for life. Type 2, the body becomes resistant to insulin. This is the most common type. 90% of diabetes cases are type 2. It's often preventable. Gestational diabetes develops during pregnancy. Usually goes away after birth, but increases risk of type 2 later. The most important thing to understand: type 2 diabetes is not a life sentence. It is reversible. Let me explain. Your body is always talking to you. Here are 5 warning signs you can't ignore. Sign number 1, excessive thirst. Are you always thirsty? Can't quench it no matter how much you drink? This is one of the most common early signs. Your body is trying to flush out excess sugar through your kidneys. The constant thirst is your body crying for help. Sign number 2, frequent urination. Waking up multiple times at night to use the bathroom? Your kidneys are working overtime to filter out the extra sugar from your blood. This is your body's emergency system. It's trying to prevent a toxic buildup. Sign number 3, unexplained weight loss. Losing weight without trying? This sounds like a dream, but it's a nightmare. Your body is breaking down your own muscle tissue for energy because it can't use the sugar in your blood. It's starving, but the food isn't reaching your cells. Sign number 4, blurry vision. Seeing spots? Blurry vision that comes and goes? High blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. Left untreated, this can become permanent vision loss. Sign number 5, slow healing. Cuts and sores that take weeks to heal? High blood sugar damages your blood vessels and impairs circulation. Your immune system can't do its job properly. Even small wounds become dangerous. If you have any of these signs, get your blood sugar tested today. High blood sugar doesn't just make you thirsty. It causes damage throughout your entire body. Your nerves, peripheral neuropathy. High blood sugar damages the small blood vessels that feed your nerves. The result? Numbness, tingling, and pain in your hands and feet. Over time, this can lead to complete loss of sensation. Your heart, cardiovascular disease. Diabetes doubles your risk of heart attack and stroke. High blood sugar damages your blood vessels, allowing cholesterol to build up. This is the number 1 killer of diabetics. Your kidneys, diabetic nephropathy. Your kidneys filter your blood. High sugar damages the tiny filters called nephrons. They start leaking protein. Eventually, they fail completely. Kidney failure leads to dialysis. Your eyes, diabetic retinopathy. The damage to your eyes is progressive. First, blurry vision. Then, dark spots. Finally, blindness. But it's completely preventable with proper blood sugar control. Your feet, diabetic foot ulcers. Poor circulation plus nerve damage equals dangerous foot problems. A small cut can become infected. Infections can lead to amputations. Every year, over 100,000 amputations are performed because of diabetes. The good news, all of this is preventable. Let me tell you how. Here's the truth, diabetes is 90% lifestyle. Number 1, fix your diet. Stop eating sugar. It's literally killing you. Replace processed foods with whole foods. Eat more fiber. Vegetables, whole grains, legumes. Choose healthy fats like avocado, nuts, olive oil. Protein is your friend. It stabilizes blood sugar and keeps you full. Number 2, move your body. Walking after meals can lower your blood sugar by 22%. Exercise improves insulin sensitivity. Just 30 minutes of walking daily can reduce your risk by 30%. You don't need a gym. You don't need expensive equipment. Walk. Number 3, lose 5 to 10% of your body weight. This is the most powerful step. Losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can reverse type 2 diabetes. It's not about being skinny. It's about being healthy. Every pound lost improves insulin sensitivity. Number 4, sleep 7 to 8 hours. Sleep deprivation increases insulin resistance. Your body needs rest to repair itself. Without sleep, your cortisol goes up. Cortisol raises blood sugar. It's a vicious cycle. Number 5, reduce stress. Cortisol, the stress hormone, directly raises blood sugar. Find ways to calm down. Meditation, walking, deep breathing. Your blood sugar will thank you. Here's the most important thing, diabetes is reversible. Thousands of people have done it. You can too. Let me tell you about Lucy. She was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes as a child, citation 6. Her community thought she would die. They had no understanding of diabetes. People were amazed she was still alive. But Lucy didn't give up. She became an advocate and educator. She teaches school children about diabetes. She shows them that diabetes is manageable. She proves that life with diabetes is possible. She changes lives through education. The message is clear: if you have diabetes, you can live a long, healthy life. If you don't, take action now to prevent it. Here's your action plan. Today, check your blood sugar if you have symptoms. This week, start walking 15 minutes daily. This month, eliminate processed sugar from your diet. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Knowledge is power. Awareness saves lives. Your body talks. Are you listening? Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more health content. Share to help someone who needs this information. Remember, you are in control of your health. Take charge.